All of the new washing machines, dryers, computers, iPhones have cameras that are two-way. That they are watching everybody through their appliances without warrants, and they'll do whatever they want. You've not seen anything yet. Yeah, I told you, the police stations all over the country now are getting federal grants for these new light bulbs that can actually have data over the power, that it resonates with new chips in the computers that then spy in your house, and the lights are programming things in your house. Yeah, we're tracking everything you do. Yeah, we're going to control how hot or cold your house is. You know those new light bulbs we mandated? They're controlling computers. They'll control all the appliances. Because we're the good guys. You've not seen anything yet.
I'll tell you, shut the fuck up! Goddamn piece of motherfucking shit! Man, fuck that goddamn water!